Hey everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing and we are going to be testing and tasting the Nestle Rich Chocolate Hot Cocoa Mix made with real Nestle cocoa. So this is a bulk box. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. We're going to go over some specs before we get taste testing. So there's 50 servings per container. Obviously, there's one envelope per serving size. There's 80 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, 1.5 grams saturated fat, 0 cholesterol, 190 milligrams of sodium, which is 8% of your daily value, total carbs 15, sugars 12 grams, included 10 grams added sugar. There is 0.6 milligrams of iron and 140 milligrams of potassium. Okay guys, and it's also 99.9% caffeine free. Alright, let's get unboxing and then let's taste test. So we place it on its power pad and we just press the button right here to turn it on, and it heats the water up. We of course need to put on the lid. The lid comes and has a temperature gauge on it, so you know what temperature the water is at. Once it gets to a certain temperature, sometimes it'll automatically turn off, but I like to turn it off manually. And normally it comes off when you just lift it up. The light goes off, and when you put it back down, it doesn't turn back on. Just a safety feature. So let's wait and let's get the water heated up. Alright guys, now it's time to give the taste test. That's good. Those marshmallows definitely top it off. But that's some good hot chocolate. I put that up there with the other brands. It's not as chocolatey, if that's even a word. Now this is a pretty big cup, so smaller cup you would get the more chocolate flavor. But yeah, we didn't add anything else other than the mix and marshmallows, and it's good. I think I would happily give that an 8 out of 10. Definitely. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you could please subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot. And an 8 out of 10 this hot chocolate gets. Alright guys, enjoy your evening or morning or night whenever you're watching my video. And again, hope you guys have a great day. This is Scott's Honest Reviews.